Hi, in the last lecture, we talked about the basic of our editor. We make a simple WordPress web development folder, HTML folder, and then here we have hello world file. And we write hello world file, a sentence, I am a developer, and output and shows the output in browser. Now, in this video, we understand the basic structure of websites. I paste a simple code here. This is the basic structure of a website. So in the first one, we see doc type HTML. That simple means this is the HTML file. This document is the HTML file. In the second one, we see here HTML tag. Now in HTML, the tags concept. Here you can see in angle brackets, these angle brackets are called tags. Here you see this is the opening tag of HTML, and in the last one you see this is the closing tag of HTML. Here you see a slash, that's mean a closing tag. So this is our HTML opening and closing tags. In the down you see a head tag. This is the opening tag, and in head tags you see all of information, and that is closing head tags. In head tags, your information related to your website. That content not shows in browser, but that helps the search engine to find out your website. For example, you see here in the title, this is the title opening tag, and that is the closing tag, and you see in here learn with AZ text. If you simple your browser and I simply refresh it, you can see learn with AZ in the tab. That's what title do. Now in the further you see meta tags. Meta tags means your description. That helps the search engine to find out your website and the basics of browser. For example, in the first meta tags, this is the for character sets, UTF-8 encoding. This is the character sets tag. Now in the second you see a meta tags for HTTP equivalent. What type of content in this file? That's you write. And here you see content is text HTML, means we write here HTML text. Now in the third meta tags you see a name viewport. Viewport means your website's width, means what type of your website's width and what you see, and that closing the head tags. Now in the second we see the body tag. In the body tags all your website contents, means your headings, your paragraphs, your images, your videos, your links, all the your content that you see in browser are written in the body tags. Means if I go to browser and write here WordPress, now you see many websites here. If I click on the first one, I click a further websites, you see there is a text, paragraphs, buttons, all your contents are written in the body tags. So here we end this lecture. Please like our video and subscribe if you not yet subscribed. Thank you.